So let's find the area of the following shaded region. Notice it's a picture of what looks like a washer, or if you like, a circle with another circle cut out. And we're asked to find the area of that shaded region. So where do we begin? Well, I kind of like to look at it where I have two shapes, two circles, where I have a big, large outside circle, and then I have an inside circle. And the way to get that shaded region or that shaded part is to take the outside circle and start with that. And then from that outside circle, I'm going to take out or remove a smaller inside circle. And when I do that, the resulting shape is a washer, right? It's the outside circle. Take away that smaller inside circle. That's going to give me the basis for how I'm going to actually do this problem. We're going to take an outside circle and find its area. And then from that, we're going to subtract off the area of a smaller circle that's inside. And when I do that subtraction, I'm going to be left over with the area of the remaining outer part or the washer part. So it's the big circle minus the little circle. So let's get to it. We'll start with the big circle. The formula for the area of a circle is pi times r, or if I like, pi r squared. Now for the big circle, we notice that from the picture, our big radius is actually 10 centimeters. So that means that the area for this big circle is going to be pi times 10 times 10, or pi times 10 squared, which is 100 pi. So the area for that big circle is actually 100 pi square units, and in our case, centimeters. So the area for the big circle is 100 pi square centimeters. Now let's take a look at the smaller circle. The smaller circle has a radius of 6 centimeters. And the area for this circle is going to be pi times r, or if I like, pi r squared. And so the area for this smaller circle, the inside circle, is just pi times 6 squared. If I like, 36 pi square centimeters. So if I take that outside circle and I cut away or remove the inside circle, I get the total area. And so my total area then is given by the following. It's the outer circle area, which is 100 pi, minus the inner circle area, which is 36 pi, and 100 pi minus 36 pi, because they're like expressions, I can get and subtract and get 64 pi square centimeters. That's actually the exact area for that white shaded region. The outside circle minus the area of the inside circle. Now, what does that mean? Well, we could get a decimal approximation to give us a better idea. So we can pull out our calculators, and then we calculate 64 times pi, and we'll get approximately 201.0619298. Check and make sure your answer agrees with mine. And if I want to round it, let me round to the nearest hundredth. So if I round to the nearest hundredth, that tells me that this is approximately 201.06 square centimeters. If I was told to round to the nearest tenth, it would be 201.1. If I was told to round to the nearest thousandth, it would be 201.062. Anyways, that's the area for this shaded region, broken down into smaller circles and smaller parts. If you have any questions, just let me know.